Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can schedule a meeting in Google Meet. So here I've already opened the Google Meet apps on my computer, and to schedule a meeting, you can just click on the new meeting button in here, the blue one, and there will be an option to schedule in Google Calendar. Just click on this. Then you'll be automatically directed to the Google Calendar, to your Google Calendar. So in here you'll be directed to the event added, and you can just click on the title, type in the title, for example, weekly meeting, then choose the date and also the time. Can change the time, for example, in here and also in here. Then after that, you can adjust the location if you want. Then here you can adjust the notification, and here if you want to add your meeting attendee, you can just click on add guest in here and then type in their email, for example here, like this. And then after that, just click on save. And when you do that, the Google Meeting schedule will be saved in your calendar, like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.